fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with some goodies from the folks over at Everydayecrafts. So, thank you to them for sending me the items. I'm kind of excited about these, so I'm just going to jump in. So, the first thing I've got is this little thing. Now, it says it's some kind of a stand or something, but it has little diamonds in it. Oh, it's a diamond painting pen. See, that's what I thought, but okay. So you can diamond paint with it. It comes with a little stand. It's got this cute little dolphin on it. Now they have other ones. So, okay, so he's just glued on there, but you can open this up, unscrew it, if I can get it unscrewed here, and fill it up with whatever you like. If you don't like what comes in it. This just has some pink crystals in it, which I thought was cute. So let me get this back on here. Gotta get back in there just the right way. Okay, I'm gonna fuss with this off camera. So I can't get it in holding it that way. So, okay. So anyway, I thought the little dolphin was cute. It's like a little decoration, or you can use it as a pin. So there's that. That is $1.99. So that was the first thing I got. Then I got some canvases, and you guys, I'm excited about these. So let me start with this one. Okay. Get it out of the bag. Ooh, this is one of those nice, thin, easy to roll canvases. Love that. Okay. So we've got a pretty standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. We do get a pair of tweezers because, as you can see, it is a special drill kit. And it is another mandala, you guys. So you know how I feel about my mandalas, and it's a special drill, but it's full drill. So I figured this might be a good candidate for my 30 by 30 in September. So let's see what it actually measures. It is 24. I'm going to go out on a limb and guess by 24. Yep. And I just really like the colors of this one. I thought the blues and yellows were pretty. So I wanted to try it. It's nice and sticky. Now, we do only have one schematic, but there's only 12 drills, so it's not like I'm going to get lost or confused. And it has the DMC codes listed, but these are the drill codes. So let's see what we get in the drills. Okay. So again, only 12 colors. So we've got some clear rhinestones, some pretty kind of pale turquoise, some yellow, some larger clear, and then we've got some pretty gold, yellow gold slivers. I'm going to assume those go in that central flower. And then around the edges, ooh, some larger of that same color, pale turquoise. And then, is this black? It actually has a crystal coat. It doesn't have a DMC, so I don't know, but it looks black. Maybe it's just a dark blue. And then we've got some larger clear, some larger round yellow, and then we've got some of that kind of old gold antique yellow crystals. And then, ooh, these are always fun. These are the ones I dig my pretty placer out for. Got some very tiny clear teardrop shape and some very tiny yellow gold teardrop shape. So definitely will be getting out one of my wax placer pencils to help me with those, because when they're super tiny like that, it can be hard to get them exactly where they need to be. So again, I got this one because I thought it would be a good candidate for my 30 by 30. So it's not a partial, which makes me feel better. but it's special drill, so it would take slightly less time than a full drill round to do. So that was the reason behind this one, that, and I thought it was pretty. So this one was $6.99. Then, guys, I was excited to see these. These are kind of similar. Well, I mean, they are similar because they're by the same artist, but I was excited to see these. I've been seeing them more and more often on some of the budget painting sites, and I'm super happy about it because they're public domain artwork. And they're in that Art Nouveau style that I love. So, ooh, and this one comes in baggies for those of you who like that. So, pretty standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And then, you guys, this one is a 30 by 60. So I'm not going to be able to get all of it in the shot, but you can see, I'll move it. So this is another one. I showed one similar to this and another one unboxing that I did. This is a different artist, but it's the same kind of style of painting. I think it's a different artist anyway. My memory could be faulty, but anyway, it's that same Art Nouveau style, and it's this lovely, I called it, I think, Lady in Blue. I don't know, I'm sure it has an actual name. I didn't look it up. I probably shouldn't I? Just so you guys could find it again. So anyway, so I will link it below so you can find the painting itself. So 30 by 60, let's measure this. It is almost 25 by, let me measure this way, by almost 55. So a little smaller than the 30 by 60, but that's pretty standard with these smaller kits. Okay, and I just thought she was really pretty. Again, I love this kind of Art Nouveau style, so anytime I see anything like that, I'm instantly interested. Let's see, the canvas is nice and sticky, and in looking at it, again, I'm not really seeing anything that I think is going to give me any issues as far as, you know, being confused about symbols and whatnot. Looks pretty good. Lots of blues in this one, as you would expect. 23 colors. We do have a schematic on both sides. There's one at the top and the bottom. And we do have the DMC code, so that's awesome. So let me open the drills here and we'll see. What this one is. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot of colors. That seems like way more than 23. Okay, so we've got a very dark purple. We've got some black, but not very much. We've got kind of a dusky rose, kind of a dusky pink, a peach. We've got another kind of mauve-y color, a light gray, ooh, an olive green, a dark gray, and then we've got a gray and another like pale gray. I'm going to assume those for the frame and around the bottom of the painting. And then let's see, what other colors do we have here? So, of course, a light blue, a very pale pink, a dark blue, a blue, a brick red, kind of a slate blue, a very pale peach. Ooh, that's like a brick red. And then this is almost like a very pale slate blue, grayish blue. So let me slip these back in here. And then we'll look at the last couple of colors. So we've got like a lighter brown, a very dark gray, and then we've got kind of a cornflower almost blue. So yeah, lots of pretty colors in this one. And like I said, really happy to see some of this public domain artwork showing up in some of these companies because I think that's awesome. So there's this one. And then let me pull out the other one because it's another painting by the same artist from that same series. So it's another lady, but in different colors. So this one, I think I called this one the Lady Rose. Again, these have actual names. I'm sure I was just making notes for myself as I went through. So again, come in baggies, so that's nice. Same kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And this time we get this beautiful, not really, I mean, pseudo-Victorian. Victorians would never show their arms like that, I don't think, but this Art Nouveau style that, again, I love so much. So we've got the same kind of frame around it, you know, same lady with the very drapey dress and just in that same style. So 23 colors, so same amount of colors as was in the last one, just different colors. And so this one is 54.5 by, yeah, 25. So 55 by 25 roughly. And, you know, again, these are not going to be as detailed as you would get if the paintings were larger, but at 30 by 60, I figured I'd give them a chance and see. I'm curious to see how they're going to turn out. So again, 23 colors. We do have DMC codes and we do have a schematic on both sides. And it is nice and sticky. And, you know the faces are not going to be very detailed. However, you know, if you could get a couple of these and hang them up as a series and they're hanging on your wall from a distance, I think they'll still look good. So I'm anxious to find out anyway. So let's look at these drills. Okay, let me turn them over this way. I actually don't really see very many dimples at all in these, so that's really good. Okay, so we've got this very light tan. We've got like a light brown, a peach, a brighter peach. It's like a very dusky rose. It's like a very kind of dusky, almost brick red. We've got like a mauve color, mauvey pink, another tan, a very kind of light peach. Put those away. And then we've got, let's see, we've got a dark brown, kind of a sand color, a pale pink, a very dark brick red. We've got a brown, a very pale gray, a little bit darker gray, kind of a true gray there. And then, whoops, we got an escape drill here. Let me get that out of the way. And then we've got another kind of rose, dusky rose. That is black, kind of a bright peach, a pale kind of blush pink, another kind of mauve, rose mauve color, and then this is a very dark purple. So yeah, love the colors in both of these. Like I said, I think I just wrote down this is Lady Rose and the other one was Lady Blue because of the colors and the flowers, of course. But again, just really excited to see some of these kind of vintage public domain arts works showing up at some of the budget companies so that they're accessible to people, because these are really, you know, good works of art, and good art should be appreciated, right? Even if it's in a diamond painting. Okay, I will put, oh, I don't think I told you guys the price. The two ladies were $7.81. So, just to recap, we've got our lovely lady in blue. We've got our lady in rose. We've got our blue and yellow mandala, and then our lovely pink dolphin pin. So there you go, guys. As always, I will put links in the description down below so that you can check all of these out for yourself, as well as anything else you might find that you like while you're there. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon for future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.